Hi, this is a usual stop for me, Port Wakefield, nice and early in the morning, on my way to Adelaide to pick up stuff that I need for my lawn. Make a good little sanger here and have myself a coffee. Yeah, it's all good fun and part of my lawn porn journey. What do you want, mate? Well, here I am at Reece Irrigation and Pools in Adelaide. It's almost 9 o'clock. I'm running a little bit late. I've come here to pick up my irrigation. I got a little bit of gear for them. Look at that. That's my design there. Look at this. There's my products here.
Yeah, so the controller itself is basic 4-station controller, modular, which you can adjust up to 16 stations. This is the older unit we've got on display. However, it's now adjustable up to 16 stations, so you add a module if you want to build on your system. The actual ResiLink that you're going to install is there's a SmartLink system, so the ResiLink itself will actually come through with your cable and plug into there. All right, that's going to give you your app-based access to it. Easy to use. Multimeter, inbuilt multimeter valve locator, stuff like that. So it's got some advanced features which some other controllers don't have. So
All right, no worries. Weathermatic unit. Well, I just got back from Adelaide, so I got up at 5 this morning or got up 4:30 actually, and went to Adelaide and back and got the irrigation stuff I needed. This is the soil. It's been delivered. It's about 3 tons. That will be my topsoil. Looking at it now, I'm not sure it's going to be enough, so if I need more, I'll get more. This is all the stuff that I got from Adelaide and Whyalla as well, so I had to travel and get stuff. I've gone the Weathermatic. This will be my pop-ups. No matter where it sits on the pipe, I can make it higher or a little bit lower.
Curves like that, push them together by hand first, so you can pull them together, close them in so you can make sure it's not square like that.
So this bit will be going in the corner, this will be going in the pipe, but we're just doing the pipe, the length, distance first. And from there to there. So we've only got a little bit more piping to do. Then we can start chopping up the pipes where we're having our sprinklers coming together.
We try and put the hose right up to that ridge, but we're going to put the clip there, get it in behind there, so as we get the clip right down, lock it against that shield. If we lock it against this one here, there's some risk we're just too near the end of the hose and it slips off.
So the advantages of it is that you can just, adjust it to where you need it. And also, if something goes heavy on that, there's a bit of give in the system. We've done sections where the dirt is and left the sections that we've got where our sprinklers are exposed, because we're going to give it a test, and that way we can see if there's any leaks or anything. These have got a flush cap in them. When we started off, all the water's probably going to go everywhere. Come up with a bit of a funky solution to test it without installing everything. A bit of a T-junction here, which is going to be going to the valve box eventually. We're going to see how we go with this. Boom, straight into it after work. Just got home, just got changed, right into it, and we've been doing that all week. So I've had a couple of throwdowns throughout the week and leveling it out, and it's pretty simple, just leveling it out with a soil spreader, and then you level it out with a straight bit of wood and a little level on that. And now we're starting to roll it. We'll give that a bit of a roll, because as you can see, some of it is a bit squishy, where other bits are fairly hard. We're going to do a bit more, and we'll put down a moist app as well, and tomorrow is the lawn, so it's all going to come together really nicely. Better shush and get to work. Get your lawn on!